In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amex gift card on Shein. If you're looking to use your card to purchase trending fashion items on Shein, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to Shein's website by typing shein.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, enjoy browsing through their vast collection of clothing and accessories. Whether you're looking for a chic new dress or some casual wear, add your desired items to your shopping cart. After picking out all your must-have items, it's time to head to your shopping cart. You can do this by clicking on the shopping cart icon, usually located at the top right of the web page. Review your selected items to ensure that everything you want is there. It's always a good idea to double-check sizes and colors if applicable. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to proceed to checkout. Click on the Checkout Now button. At this stage, you'll be directed to a page where you need to enter your shipping details. Carefully fill in your name, address, and any other required information. Accuracy here is crucial to ensure your items are delivered without issue. Now for the step you've been waiting for, applying your Amex gift card. Look for the option that says Gift Card and click on it. An input field will appear, prompting you to enter the gift card number and PIN. Enter those details exactly as they appear on your card. Once done, make sure to click on the Apply button to use the gift card balance toward your purchase. After applying your gift card, you may see a confirmation on your total balance, reflecting the amount covered by the card. If there's a remaining balance to be paid, other payment methods can be selected for the difference. Make sure everything looks correct before you proceed. Lastly, click on Continue to Checkout to finalize your order. This will bring you to the final confirmation page where you can review your order details once again. Take a moment here to ensure everything, including your shipping details and the payment method, is accurate before hitting that final place order button. And there you have it. You've just used your Amex gift card to complete a purchase on Shein. Remember, always keep your gift card details safe and verify your order details before completing the purchase. Thank you for joining me today and happy shopping.